from the 26th of the 5th month of 1446. Not a Thanksgiving Day poem. I searched for you, and when I had abandoned hope of finding you, I found you. Then you went away and found me. My hunger is ever present, regardless of the number. With the journey stifled, each goes further. Historic, but not my mythic, holiday in which I slumber. The day before, to marinate in my thirst. And I think it goes without saying that these particular birds were not eaten by me. And that this talks about more than my encounter in the cemetery yesterday with them.